Hi, my name is Rob from UBL Designs. Today's tutorial is going to be regarding the Lecia WordPress theme on how to create the pages and how to set breadcrumbs, title positions, title phrases, shadows, etc. etc. So we left off just showing you how to do page layouts and columns, etc. So within this, I'm going to carry on with the sample page. I'm going to delete everything within that, and then we're going to just put a basic standard layout, no class, with a shadow of 4, and then from within there I am just going to write a load of gibberish basically. Just so you can understand where it's all coming from. So there's a page layout. I'll even put in an image just to make it look like it is actually a page. Right, open up this. I'm just going to bung in just about any image. Let's put in this image. Don't like linking files, and I'm going to have it floating to the left. Make it a smaller image. So there we go. Now if I update this and go and take a look at it, it should look a little bit like a page. There you go. It's a little page. Right, as standard, there's your breadcrumbs. There's no title, there's nothing. So this is where you go, where you put your title and description. So this is a title. Now I've done that, I'll update and refresh. There you go. This is a title. So straight away you've got the title. You can position that by putting the page title position to either left or center. So if I update and view, it's now in the center, as you can see. Now if you're using a shadow, if I put 5 and update, if you're using a shadow, it doesn't look exactly great when you're using a shadow and then a shadow on your page layout. So your very first one, I would suggest not using a shadow. For instance, if I update now, this will look 20 times better, as you can see. So straight away we've got a page that's actually starting to look like a page. So we've showed you how to do that. The breadcrumbs you can turn on and off by just clicking hide. So there's now no breadcrumbs. Personally, I like breadcrumbs on most pages, so I'll keep the breadcrumbs. Now the phrase is, I don't know, some you might want to put meet the team, and then underneath you might want to put a little phrase about your team, for instance, the most creative team in the world or something. So the most creative team in the world. Now if I update, that will then give you a phrase as well, the most creative team in the world. That's about it really for this. Again, you can make it center, show you what it looks like center. Oh, I'll show you the different shadows as well. There they are in the center. Right, we did 5. I'll show you 4. Let me just get rid of the thing. Here's 4 either side. I'll show you 3. There's 3. I will show you 2. There is 2. And we've got 1. There's 1. Now my personal favourite, I don't use shadow 4 or 5. I prefer using no shadow, and the reason for that is it looks flat and it looks really nice. I'm a big fan of flat. People might say, well, it's a trend, but I personally think a well designed site looks brilliant when it's flat, and now I personally think this looks brilliant when it's flat. So that's it for this one. On the next one, I'm going to show you how to create pages, the actual pages like blog, portfolio, home page, contact page, how to create them. I'm not going to tell you how to create portfolio items or blogs in the next tutorial, just how to create the actual main pages. So I'll see you in the next tutorial.